Hi everyone, we are here at the International Builders Show in Las Vegas. My name is Katie Weeks. I'm the editor-in-chief of the Eco Building platform at Hanley Wood, which includes Eco Home Magazine and Eco Structure Magazine. I'm here with Rick Schwalski, former editor-in-chief of Eco Home and now editor-at-large with Eco Home. Last year we launched this new program called Vision 2020 that was this big research odyssey that we conducted over the year. We just finished year one, we're heading into year two. For viewers that may not be familiar with the program, what's the elevator pitch for it? How would you tell them about the program? What is it?
Vision 2020 was an effort to try to create a roadmap to sustainability for our industry, using the year 2020 as a target and a midpoint navigation point towards the goals and metrics that have become important for the year 2030.
So Rick, we've just finished the first year of the program, and it was this year-long editorial odyssey and a research program into the 10 areas. What would you say are the key takeaways from the program as a whole after looking at it for a year?
Right, I think that two things really emerge. One is that there's a real movement towards systems thinking in terms of how buildings perform and operate as a system. And the other trend I think that came out was how the ingredients that go into the products that we build with are becoming more and more important, and so there's a greater call for transparency and more information so that people can make informed product selections.
So as part of all this research that was gathered, we also created this roadmap that was in the November-December issue. Can you tell us a little bit about how that came about and what it's meant to serve or do for the program?
We laid, let's say, the gravel bed for the road to sustainability, and we overlaid them onto a timeline between now and the year 2030 that gives us a picture of where we are now, where we need to get to by the year 2020 in order to be on track for 2030, and what hurdles exist that we have to navigate around. And so year on year now, as we do this every year, we're going to overlay new, updated findings onto the original timeline, because the clock is ticking, and so we need to have a clear path with a sense of urgency and be able to measure our progress over time.
Okay, so that leads me into the last question I had for you, which is we're now kicking off year two. We have some new people involved, the dialogue's expanding. How do you see year two progressing and building on that gravel, laying some more foundation to the road?
Yeah, it's very exciting. Everybody who was involved last year really came away with a lot of energy. They want to stay involved in the second year. We do, as you mentioned, have 10 new chairs, research guides that will help us. And what I hope to do is build on the recommendations from last year.
And I know you and I are both very excited to see what comes about this year, and hopefully our viewers will be too. For anyone that's interested, you can track the Vision 2020 progress throughout the year on our website, ecobuildingpulse.com, and we will be updating on developments in our 8 key focus areas with our 10 chairs throughout the year. Thanks, Rick.
Thanks.